Thai therapy root from India during Lord Buddha period. There was a doctor named Shivako. The doctor Shivako, he cared Lord Buddha and also people in the village. So since then, Thailand adapt the way of caring people by massaging or Thai therapy in Thailand. During our Thai king Rama III, so he saw the importance and benefit of Thai therapy. So he started to form a Thai university for the first one in Wat Po in Bangkok, Thailand. สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Puri Thai Massage. You're here to have massage with Cozy.
I'll be your therapist for today. And what type of pressure do you prefer, ma'am, when you massage?
Medium, please.
Okay. Any areas you want me to focus on today?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Thai therapy require for different techniques, which is stretching, pulling, or acupressure on the body. So imagine for one person, we have been sitting for too long on the computer, working in front of the computer, or driving too long distance. So our body became too stiff. So then Thai therapy is involved of stretching, acupressure. So it's help body to relax and de-stress. There are the different type of Thai therapies. First one, traditional Thai massage. This one, I really loved it. So these Thai therapies involve of movement with the sequence of rhythms. The therapist will either use palm, finger, elbow, knee, or even sometimes they can walk on your body. So it helps to manipulate and relax the nerves, the tension on your body. Thai therapy can heal in a way of help people to de-stress and get relaxation. For the body get to relaxation mode, our body intend to produce medicine hormone in the body, such as dopamine or serotonin. So these hormones, it helps our body to heal and rejuvenate itself. The second one, there will be Thai foot massage. It's similar to reflexology, and this one is referred to our organ from the feet.
So the pressure points help stimulate other parts of the body. And that is going to help you with sleeping, when you have a problem with sleeping.
When our therapist use the Thai foot massage stick, so we use Thai foot massage stick to acupressure to the certain part of foot, and it's referred to the organ inside. So it promotes to relax the nerve and good circulation to our body. And the third one, there will be sport massage. This is our number one treatment Thai therapy because people in general, they like to do sport. We have a lot of runner event or marathon or cycling in November. So people come here to relax their muscle because sometimes their muscle get very tense and stiff. And sport massage is required with the oil massage with firm pressure to medium to massage along muscle and tension in the body. And our therapist has been trained by many Thai therapists or Thai instructors from the past up to the present. So they took time to massage on each one, and they have to feel underneath body where is tension, they have problem on the body, and release it one by one. During the session, most of the clients came here with different purpose. Some of them came in with stress, some of them just want to be here. One can experience of crying or sleeping often our client, they work quite long hours in a day, so they choose to come here after work just to be and relax themselves. I think the main purpose, the main focus after having the Thai therapy is to promote our well-being. It's important for all of us to look after ourselves, listen our body, because our body talking to us all the time. At this moment, we are busy on devices and forgetting to reconnect with human being, and the most importantly, forget ourselves. So I really recommend after the treatment of Thai therapy, just listen to our body and take care ourselves.